Hey guys, Terry Brighton back here from Brighton Racing. I have another small block Mopar on the test stand. This one here is built for Shawn Kelly out of Toronto. He's going to be racing this one in the F.A.S.T class. That's factory appearing class. Inside this thing, it's got a scat rotating assembly, 4-inch stroke. It's a 70, I think it's a 70 or 71 340 block, board 40 over. Compression ratio works out to 9.96 to 1 with the IC 9978 pistons in it. He'll be running a thermal quad. He's running the cast iron intake. He's going to have the cast iron manifolds on it as well. We're going to take this thing to the dyno just to see what it does with all the stock stuff on it and with the stroker. And he's got the heads massaged a little bit and the intake as well. Like not super ported out, but they're definitely have some work done to it. All the parts are really supplied to me for this thing, so I can't take credit or discredit if it makes a whole whopping amount of horsepower and torque, but we're going to find out what it makes anyways. The cam that he has in it is a custom cam by Bullet, and actually there's a specs right there. It's not real radical, but it should make it work pretty good. And just kind of a side note, last week my daughter was out golfing. Now it's like cold and a foot of snow, not as bad as Buffalo, but anyways, enough of that. Let's start this thing up here. Tried the glass packs for the first time. I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of the way they sound. I like the other thumb mufflers better. So there's Shawn's 418 cubic inch 340 based. Just if you want, throw in the comments what you think it'd make for horsepower. Again, it's going to have the stock manifolds, stock cast iron intake. The heads have been ported somewhat. They're not polished, but they've had some definite work done to them, and there's a bit more left you can do later on. So again, just throw in the comments what you think, just for fun. Have a good one.